Imagine this. You've been learning English for months, maybe even years. You understand videos. You understand your teacher. You even understand me right now. But when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. Words disappear. Confidence disappears. And all you can say is, I know, but I can't speak. If this feels like your story, then listen carefully, because today you're not going to learn more English. You're going to discover why your English is not improving, and more importantly, how to fix it. The truth is, most learners are not bad. They are just following the wrong system. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful factors that secretly destroy your English progress. And once you fix them, everything changes. Factor 1, you focus too much on rules, not real use. Let me tell you a story. Ali was a brilliant student. He knew grammar rules better than anyone. He could explain tenses perfectly. He always scored highest in English exams. But one day, a foreigner asked him a simple question. "Hey, how are you?" Ali froze. He knew the grammar, but he couldn't speak. This is the biggest mistake. You think, first I will master grammar, then I will speak. But that day never comes. Because language is not a subject. It's a skill. Example, learning English without speaking is like reading books about swimming, but never entering water. Will you learn swimming? Never. Fix? Start using English imperfectly. Speak with mistakes. Think in English. Use simple sentences daily, because fluency doesn't come from knowing rules. It comes from using the language. Factor 2, you're afraid of making mistakes. Let's be honest. You don't speak, not because you don't know English, but because you are afraid. Afraid of people laughing, saying wrong sentences, feeling embarrassed. Story. Sarah wanted to improve her English. She watched videos every day. She learned new words daily, but she never spoke. Why? Because in her mind, she thought, if I make a mistake, people will judge me. One day, her teacher told her, "Your silence is a bigger mistake than your wrong English." That sentence changed her life. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Even children make thousands of mistakes before speaking correctly. Example, a baby doesn't say, "I will speak when I am perfect." They speak, fail, learn, repeat, fix, speak without fear, accept mistakes, practice daily conversations. Remember, fluency grows from courage, not perfection. Factor 3, you learn words but never use them. You memorize vocabulary lists. 10 words today, 20 words tomorrow. But after a week, you forget everything. Story. Usman wrote 50 new words in his notebook every day. His notebook was full. But his speaking? Still empty. Why? Because he collected words, but never used them. Your brain deletes what you don't use. If a word is not used, it is forgotten. Example, you learn the word confident. But if you never say, "I feel confident today," your brain says, "This word is not important," and deletes it. Fix? Use every word in sentences, conversations, daily thoughts. Rule, learn less, use more. Factor 4, you depend too much on your native language. This is a silent killer. You listen in English, but translate in your mind. You think English, Urdu, understand, Urdu, English, speak. This process makes you slow and confused. Story. Hamza tried to speak English, but every sentence took too long because he was translating everything in his head. One day he tried something new. He stopped translating and started thinking directly in English. At first it was hard, but after some time, his speaking became faster and smoother. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think in English. Example, instead of thinking mujhe pani chahiye, how to say in English? Train your mind to think, I need water. Fix? Use simple English thinking. Label things around you in English. Talk to yourself in English. Factor 5, you are not consistent. This is the most dangerous factor. You study English 2 hours today, then nothing for 5 days. Then again, motivation comes, you study again. This cycle kills progress. Story. 2 students started learning English. Ahmed studied 15 minutes every day. Bilal studied 3 hours, but only once a week. After 3 months, Ahmed became fluent. Bilal, still struggling. Consistency beats intensity. Small daily practice, big occasional effort. Example, English is like a muscle. If you don't use it daily, it becomes weak. Fix? Practice daily, even 15-30 minutes. Speak every day. Build a routine. Now think about yourself. Which factor is stopping you? Is it fear? Is it translation? Is it inconsistency? The good news is, you don't need years to improve. You just need to fix these 5 factors. Start today. Speak today. Make mistakes today. Because your future fluent self is waiting for your action. If you want to speak English confidently, start now. And comment below, I will fix my English today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, because your one step today can change your entire future.